EURUSD daily analysis for Tuesday the 21st of October. This is the daily chart. The daily chart is bullish. We are currently in the pullback phase. We've come into this demand zone and we've had a bounce from there. Does this mark the end of the pullback? Well, we can only say for sure if we have at least a change of character followed by a break of structure. So as of now, we came into this supply zone. From there, we've had a bit of a bounce, a reaction, and I expect this reaction to come into this zone and then maybe continue from here. So we'll have to wait and watch. Both the scenarios are highly possible, where we kind of continue further down into this zone, or we maybe go up from here. But as of now, the daily, as far as the swing structure is concerned, is bullish. This is the strong low, and this is the weak high. So we expect price to at some point take out this high. That's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we are bearish. Why? Because we're playing the daily pullback. After we've had this break of structure here, we expect the pullback to happen, which has happened to quite a deep extent over here. And if the bearish trend is to continue, then obviously we expect price to kind of go through this. Now, we also understand the fact that we're coming from a daily demand zone over here. This bounce is from a daily demand zone, and from there the refined 4-hour zone, which was here. And this pullback is also deep enough. It's below the 50%. So I would be cautious to say that the bearish trend is going to continue. My expectation would be that this we have some kind of a we're seeing a reaction, and from here we expect the price to go up in case the daily is now pullback is complete. So that's as far as the H4 is concerned. We've got we've had a change of character here, which signifies that maybe the H4 pullback is over and we're now starting to go down. However, I'd like to see a break of this structure perhaps to say that yes, now the H4 is continuing the bearish momentum. Also, if you look at it, we've got a huge imbalance here in this candle, or a fair value gap, whichever way you want to put it. I think I have. So if we go from here to here, so this is a fair value gap that we are looking at, an imbalance, and price might be just kind of attracted to this particular area. So that's as far as the H4 is concerned, which is bearish. Moving to the M15. The M15 will obviously be bullish. There we go. The M15, my expectation is it's still bullish because we've had a break of structure here, and then price has kind of pulled up, and then we're like pulling back. So this is the M15 pullback that is happening at the moment. So if we see, where are we? So we've pulled back to quite an extent. We've pulled into the discount area now. This red line is the 50%, and the price has pulled down. We've entered this demand zone. We expect some kind of a reaction from there, but the M15 is bullish for me. So this is a little bit of a tricky situation here, because the M15 is bullish because we're playing the pullback. Is the pullback over? Yes, because we've had a change, an internal break of structure. So yes, if we were to go by H4, then the pullback is over, and now we can start looking for shorts. So yes, my immediate concern would be, and even in the M15, internally we are playing the pullback. So I would favor shorts over here, and probably pull down to these areas or this fair value gap that we identified on the H4. So yeah, maybe look for shorts. If we see from a timing perspective, this is Asia, so maybe London will, sweep the Asian high and then go down, or maybe we sweep the low and then go up, and then in New York we come down. So I don't know, but yes, I would be favoring shorts. As far as zones are concerned, I don't really see a very clear zone to look for shorts from. For example, this is a candle that could be considered a supply, but this has already been mitigated by this candle wick. So yeah, I would not really look at anything at the moment. I'll just wait and watch, and let's see how it goes. May the markets be with you.